It's pretty obvious that the retail industry is broken. You know, globally, if you look at the landscape, UBS is saying currently that by 2026, 80,000 retailers will close. Here in the UK, you can walk down any major high street or mall, and there's endless shops that are just no longer in business. So the whole retail landscape needs a rethink. Our company play in this new space called live video commerce. Some people think that this is just an idea and you know, we have to justify, you know, why it exists. But if you look to China, it's already a $420 billion industry. That's according to McKinsey. Just a few weeks ago, there's one live host called Austin Lee who ran a live show. It was for 12 hours, which is quite long. And he sold beauty products, and he generated in one live event $1.7 billion of sales into people's mobile phones who were watching him somewhere in China and purchasing as he spoke. The global beauty industry is worth $500 billion. He did 1.7 in half a day. Really, our company exists to help people move into this space. And we believe all over Europe and the US, and definitely here in the UK, there's bucket loads of CMOs and heads of e-commerce that are being asked one question right now. How do we play in live video commerce? We've realized in the last 2 years, there's 3 ways you can play. The first way you can get into video commerce is you go and speak to Instagram or TikTok or Pinterest or Twitter. And all of these companies have a shopping feature, or they're building a shopping feature that allows your short videos or your live videos to be shoppable. So what this means is you can create content of a workout or a fishing trip, and as people watch it, they can buy the leggings or the fishing rod that's in the content, and that's great. Now, we can help you with this because we have a studio business, so we can help you design a great set, run the technology for the live show, maybe help you access a presenter, maybe help you moderate that channel and push that feed from a studio into TikTok or another. So that's the first way that we can offer to clients to embrace video commerce. And I think for a lot of companies, that's a great place to start. The second way you can get into the video commerce industry is to use our software development kit, or SDK. We've developed a suite of features which include live commerce, certain games, coupons, moderation, all of the different components that allow a live show to take place. And we can send that software for you to project into your existing website or into an existing app. Now, the benefit of this for you is that you've probably spent bucket loads of years and money and time building this community on your website. You're probably very proud of it, and people are active on it all the time. So this is just adding a new feature for you to engage from your office or for your studios or out and about when you're making content, but it makes that content shoppable and it's in your ecosystem. It's not with Instagram or TikTok. You've got that. So you know how people are interacting with your site, you know what they're looking at, you know their details when they purchase. So this is suitable for people who have an existing community and don't want to give up control, but equally they don't want to go and build new tech. So this is really where we see our business growing the fastest, and the vast majority of our clients want this solution from us, plus some consulting around studios and access to hosts and so on. The third option you have in live commerce is to say, we want to go all in and we want to have our own video commerce application. We want to be the mall ourselves. And this means having your own app, which you can call whatever you like. So maybe you're in the sneaker business and you want to own sneaker.tv. And you want lots and lots of sellers and opinion leaders and influencers making content from their shops, from their bedrooms, from their sneaker events, and you want to hold all of those content creators in your application, and you want to see all the user behavior and so on. So what we can offer you there is a white label of an app on iOS and Android that you name in whatever you like, and then we can give you the whole back end that integrates with your e-commerce system, your payment gateway, your inventory, and so on. And this suits a much larger enterprise who wants to dominate in their market. So in Brazil, we work with a company called B2W. It's a multi-billion-dollar marketplace business. And we've just launched in Italy with QVC. And QVC have created a new brand called LikeQ. And they take from us the app, the platform, and they're now running their own video commerce business. Really, it comes down to two questions. The first question is, do you believe mobile video commerce is going to grow and be a thing in your industry? The second question is, if you want to embrace it, which of those three buckets is right for you and your business? Is it working with TikTok and Instagram to make shoppable content? Is it taking a ready-built SDK and pushing that into your existing community? Or is it going all in and building the video commerce app in your category? And I think that's where we come in and we can help you pick the right bucket for you at this particular moment.